Hi friend, welcome. This tutorial is going to show you how to cornrow for beginners. To start off, make sure your hair is detangled and just ready to work on. You are going to be using 3 strands. So I am just going to section off a little part at the beginning of the place I want to braid. So I want the braid to run down here. We have to share this small section into 3. Try to get them as equal as you can. We are going to be sneaking in here from the left hand side and the right hand side behind the middle strand. So the middle, any hair that is at the middle is like the guard. So we are going to be sneaking behind it to grab hair from the left, behind it to grab hair from the right. These 2 fingers are going to be the one grabbing the hair underneath the middle strand from this side and then from this side. So I am going to add just little hair into these 2 fingers. You pull it into the middle and we come in to feed this side, grab a little hair, feed it into your thumb and index finger and pull it into the middle. Anybody that gets fed comes to the middle and then you grab hair to feed the other ones. So I just fed this one, I pulled it to the middle, go underneath the middle one, grab some hair, feed into this side, go underneath the middle, grab some hair, feed into here, go underneath the middle, grab some hair, feed into this side. When I am trying to feed in hair into this, my index and thumb finger from this side, I do not open it too much. If you open this too wide, you are going to lose the grip you have on the strands that you're adding to, and that is going to distort your braid. Just like that, go underneath, feed, go under, feed. Now when you have advanced in braiding to an extent, when it's time for you to feed the hair from this side, you might not necessarily have to feed it with this hand helping you cut the hair and feed it into this place. You will unconsciously just grab, like you use these fingers to just grab. Can you see? I'll just grab in the hair like this. So go underneath, grab, unknowingly go underneath, grab. Can you see? It's just grabbing. This is the hair that actually got fed in. So I didn't use this hand to section it off and feed this one. When this hand is matured enough, it can feed itself. So it will just go grab some portion of hair like this, go grab, go grab. Can you see? It's grabbing just small hair at a time. Grab, go grab, go grab, go grab. If you have a problem with grabbing the hair, then you can just, let me say, once you're starting, until you are comfortable with not, if you grab too much hair, you're going to have a problem with your braids. Until you are comfortable grabbing just small hair, you have to use your hand and feed in small portion of hair. Small portion, just feed in small. You can see the quantity I'm feeding in. This is it, just very small. This, if you feed in a lot at once, you're going to have problem with your braid, and I am going to show you all that very soon. So there you go. And once you are done here, you can keep going on. This time you're no more feeding in hair, so you can just go underneath the middle, grab from underneath, grab from underneath, grab from underneath this middle one, go underneath the middle, grab, go underneath the middle. Let's demonstrate this one more time. So I section off the hair I want to use. To start off, you mustn't use a comb to section off the first one. You can just use your finger to grab on the first set of hairs where your braid is starting. So now this is it. I am going to proceed to share this into 3. I am going to repeat what I just said in the previous one to make it as clear as I can. So I have 3 strands, 3 legs here, and this is the middle one. The whole idea of braiding this hair is to go underneath the middle hair and feed hair to this one. So I will take this hair from my left hand side, sneak underneath my right hand side. When I go to grab this hair, I add a little hair to it. Sneak underneath this middle one. When I go to grab this hair on this side, you add a little to it. Sneak underneath the middle. Once you go to add hair, so when I go to grab the strand on this side, I will add a little hair. When I go to grab the strand on this side, I add another hair. So I need to feed the person on this side. When I go to pick that person up, I add a little hair to this person. When I go to pick this person on this side up, I add a little hair to this person. And that is how we create this weaving here that keeps coming down. I go to grab on my left hand side, add a little to the strand that is there already, pull it into the middle. Whoever gets fed comes to the middle. Whoever gets fed comes to the middle. So now I am here to pick up this person. I add a little hair to it and bring it over to the middle like this. Grab from this side, bring this to the middle. Underneath it, I grab from this side, bring the fed one to the middle. Underneath it, I grab from this side, bring to the middle, grab. Can you see what's happening here? I am picking in small hair. I just open my thumb a little and sneak in a little hair. Pull that into the middle, go underneath it like this, go, add, go underneath, add. Pick this person up, give it a little boost, pull it to the middle. Pick this person up, give it a little boost, pull it to the middle. Pick this strand up. What I am going to demonstrate here is exactly what we are doing here, but because we want to keep moving, we keep adding small hair to continue our journey. It's like fueling those 3 strands that we started with here. Those 3 sections that we have here, we need to keep fueling them for them to keep moving down to this place. So when I go to pick this one, you boost it with a little bit more hair. Pick from this side, boost it with a little bit more hair. That is what is going to give them the energy to keep coming down, coming down, coming down. And you try to make sure you're grabbing just little hair equally. Don't go from this side and maybe pick like 5 strands and come here and pick 20. It is going to affect your braid. And that is one of the faults people have that I have noticed when beginners learn to braid. When I teach people to braid, that is one of the common complaints that they have. So I am going to make another video showing like the common mistakes or challenges I have seen braiders, people who are learning to braid, have